Hi, welcome to HeKate's Crossing. Okay, today we're going to look at Echoes of Nature Oracle. Okay, so let's have a look and see what card are we going to reflect on today. I definitely feel like there's something in here. Okay, first card we're going to look at is Intensity. Now this is card number 66. So let's have a look and see what Tarot Oracle says with his thoughts in regards to this one here. So let's have a look at it, because Tarot Oracle does include a lot of information in regards to the cards here. So this is card number 66, isn't it? So we're looking at Intensity. Now his digital paint, it was a digital painting. Now it's Mars and Scorpio. Divination numbers 1 and 4. It's interesting. Symbolism. A beautiful dog stares you expectantly, waiting for your response. The situation is intense, maybe too much so. A serious disadvantage to you, since you wanted a more calm resolution than the one you're leaning towards. So it could be it's time to step back, reacting, typing up a response right now, while your emotional could turn out poorly. Better to relax for a bit, take a breath and hold off on responding just yet. So maybe something's going to happen and you just need to sort of take a step back. Don't respond straight away, don't react straight away. Communication, while emotional, is not the best reaction in any circumstance. We put our logical brain aside and react with pure emotion. Then later we read what we typed or possibly remember what we said and cringe because it was a bit too dramatic or hurtful. This is not the time for communications. Instead, let's all calm down. Nothing good comes from being frantic and panicked. Take a step back and try deep breaths. Stop thinking about the situation and return later. This card could also mean the opposite in some circumstances. Possibly some intensity is required here, getting back on the path and being more passionate. Occasionally we just get lazy with our tasks and neglect things that are dire work. Then they have stacked up to a level requiring our attention. In the rare situation, we need to introduce some intensity for best results to see the situation through to the end. So at this time, do we actually need to step back or do we actually need to take action? I think that's something that we really need to sort of think about in this moment with this card. It's really interesting to think about, isn't it? You know, as we look at this card. Yeah, I find that really interesting, something to sort of reflect on. Intensity. Do we actually need to take a step back from everything and don't respond quickly? Maybe we don't communicate just yet. We go away and we think about things. Or is this the time to actually take action to create that intensity? That's interesting. That's something I'm going to have to sort of think about, reflect on, meditate, contemplate. Where am I at in this process right now? Okay, so that's our card of reflection for today. Don't forget to check the links down below, check the links on our channel, like, subscribe and ring that bell so you know when the next video will be uploaded. Take care and blessed be.